Good afternoon. This video is to acquaint you with my daily homework for room 408. To begin, your child will be bringing home a homework folder that looks like this. It might not be red, it will be similar though. You are going to send your child with this envelope to school every day, and I will send your child home with it. Inside the envelope, you will find a daily homework chart that lists the different activities I would like for your child to complete. To get started, we will have math practice most days. The math practice looks like this. There's a front and back page with 4 or 5 problems on each side, and it will be attached to the back of the packet that we completed in class. They should be able to complete this independently. This page they're going to return to me the next day, so they will put it back into their homework folder when they are finished. Next, high frequency words. Your child will receive 6 new high frequency words every week on a flashcard page. I would like for them to cut out the flashcard and then practice those words daily until they know them fluently. And if they're struggling with any of the previous week flashcards, they can focus on those as well. High frequency words are especially important because most of the text that they encounter in first grade is made up of the high frequency words that they'll be learning. Next, we have a phonics book. Your child will have a Ziploc baggie in their homework folder that contains a selection of phonics books. These books all will each contain high frequency words for the week and the phonics skill that we studied. I'd like them to choose one book every day and read it to improve their fluency and practice the phonics skill. They can choose the same book each day or try a different one each day. It's up to them. At the end of the week on Thursday or by Thursday, I'd like for them to record themselves reading one of the books to me on Seesaw. To get to Seesaw, they'll choose that from their main menu and click on activities to get to the assignment. Your child will know how to do this independently by the time they get this at home. Next, we have iReady reading and math. Most days your child will complete their iReady at school, but if for some reason they are behind or if they missed a day, they can work on it at home. Each day I expect them to do 15 minutes. So by Monday afternoon, they should have 15 minutes, 30 minutes by Tuesday, 45 by Wednesday, and so on. By Friday, they should have 75, and that's for both reading and math. To get to iReady, they choose that from their main menu. They'll choose reading and then click on the My Progress button, and this is where you can check to see how many minutes they have. You'll see a screen that looks like this. That will tell you how many minutes they have for the week. This resets to 0 each Sunday night, so they'll have a new count for each week. This part of the screen just tells you how many lessons they've passed for the week and how many lessons in a row they have passed. You can also check their math minutes in the same way by toggling over to the math section. You can also look at what work they've completed by clicking on that completed work section, and it will tell you the lesson that they worked on, the day that they finished it, and the score that they received. Next, ST Math. Some days we will be able to do ST Math in class. If not, I'd like them to do it at home. So they should have 5 minutes of ST Math every day. Again, you choose ST Math from their main menu. And once they're in ST Math, you can look to the top of the screen next to the watch. You'll see a number of minutes. We should be up to 25 by Friday. They can use this more than 5 minutes a day if they'd like. The skills that they practice in ST Math will support their math that we do in class as well. On the back of the homework list, you'll find this homework completion chart. On this, you will see a star for the end of the week if your child completed all of their homework, an X if they missed some, and a sad face if they didn't do any of their homework. Finally, you will get this slip if they were missing any homework, and I'll let you know what they missed. And they will bring their folder to me every day, and on Fridays I will keep it and return them on Monday. Please let me know if you have any questions.